Hi, it's the talented Mr. Fridge. I was so happy to find this fridge here in the house where Peyton is house sitting. Let's just start on the door. Get right into it. Actually, I could do a nice view of the whole thing. I mean, that is nice, right? So, already some highlights that I'm seeing, but I'll do this in order. Organic beet juice with a hint of ginger. Jack Rudy Cocktail Company tonic syrup. This is great. We've got a pomegranate shrub, apple cinnamon shrub, cucumber shrub, Stubbs barbecue sauce. Down here we have capers, we have anchovies, we have red chili paste, we have sweet relish, more capers. That's the door. Up here we have a salmon fillet. Peyton and I just bought this at the co-op. It was so expensive. This is mixed greens. Back there we have mole and then two mystery things. One is a clearish reddish liquid and one is a orangish reddish mash. This is cute. It's in here are garlic, heads of garlic. Cute. Behind that, just a nice touch. This is some coffee I brought from my home. This is some, we have some 4 fruits preserves. Wow. Bread and butter pickles, olives, sweet pickle relish, artichoke hearts, and butter. Now I will replace this little canister of garlic. This is a partially eaten Faye yogurt. This is Athletic Brewing Company non-alcoholic beer. A couple of little dried peppers and some other peppers I noticed. Eggs, cage-free, grade A large brown. Down here we have vegetable stock. Okay, we're to the larger compartment. 2% milk, organic. This is some, I mean, to me it looks like bok choy-ish, but it's long. Okay, this is green garlic, tarragon, Topo Chico, oat milk, ketchup, peanut butter, more Faye total, cucumber, ooh, yuzu lager, half an onion, more eggs, a little one. Back there, it looks like, oh my God, it's like one of those huge mushrooms that are like crazy. Wow, that's cool. This is there's a beer in there, a little cheese rind. What's this? Oh, it's stuck. I don't know what that is. It's kind of weird. I was gonna say it was, maybe cabbage, pickled cabbage. This fridge is dark, right? Okay, this is some dog food for Kaio. Kaio. He'll come back. Okay. Oh, okay. Whoa, I'm lost. Oh, yeah, okay. Hummus, brisk iced tea, Athletic Brewing Company, 1 Modelo, this is an old chicken breast, I know because I checked earlier. There's a block of ground beef back there. In the drawers, we have 2 watermelon radishes. That's kind of Peyton's signature. Onion, American cheese, turkey, Mexican mix freshly shredded, tortillas. Great. And here we have another Topo Chico, baby carrots, ginger, crushed up back here, citrus, ginger, apple, rosemary, old. Down here we have arugula, green onions, asparagus, zucchini, onion, 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 paper towel. And then we're just here on the next door. This door's got a lot going on. I love it. This is, oh no, it's beeping telling me to shut it. Let's take a break. Now, back to business. We have dipping sauce for cold soba noodles. We have wasabi. We have Hidden Valley Ranch back there. Ketchup, miso, mustard. Red hot pepper sauce. It's called rocoto. Okay, we have Caesar dressing. We have mayo. We have sweet ginger chili sauce. We have, oh my gosh, tamari, ginger dip, sriracha. Oh my god, what is this? Green papaya marinade. You guys, there's so much going on. This is such a blessing. This is some green goddess, hot sauce. Okay, down here we have more of the rocoto, which I've never heard of. That's cool. It sounds really yummy. This is a, oh my god, tari. I don't know what it is. And then there's like a olive sauce, which looks really delicious. Okay, this is Delfino Colatura di Alici. No idea what that is, but it's named after a dolphin. And this is, I also don't know what it is, you guys. This fridge really got me good. Okay, well, that was me, the talented Mr. Fridge. This was such a fantastic fridge. It's in Ditmas Park. Yeah, Ditmas Park. Bye.